Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious boy named Sam. He loved asking big questions about life and wanted to find deeper meaning. One day, he heard about a wise old monk who lived on top of the tallest hill. People said the monk had great wisdom. Excited to learn from him, Sam decided to climb the hill and ask for guidance. The climb was long and tiring, but Sam didn't give up. When he finally reached the top, he saw the Zen temple where the monk lived. With hope in his heart, he approached the old man and asked, "Master, how can I find Zen?" The monk, a kind man with a warm smile, looked at Sam and said, 10 years. Sam was surprised but determined. "What if I work really hard, master? How soon can I find Zen then?" The monk paused for a moment and replied, 20 years. Sam was confused but still hopeful. "What if I give my whole life to this practice? How long will it take then?" The monk smiled and said, 30 years. Sam felt frustrated. "Master, I don't understand. The harder I promise to work, the longer it takes. Why is that?" The monk looked at him kindly and said, "When you have one eye on the goal, you have only one eye on the path." Sam thought about these words. Slowly, he began to understand. If he always focused on the final result, he wouldn't pay attention to the journey itself. He wouldn't truly learn or grow. The monk continued, "Imagine climbing a tall tree to pick a ripe, juicy fruit at the top. If you keep looking at the fruit, thinking only about how sweet it will be, you might lose your balance and fall. But if you focus on each step, where to place your hands and feet, feeling the rough bark, and breathing in the fresh air, you will climb safely and surely." He then said, "Life is the same. If you only think about the reward, you will miss the journey. Whether you are learning, practicing a skill, or working toward a goal, focus on your efforts, enjoy the process, and celebrate each step forward. The real reward is in the journey itself." Sam listened carefully. He finally understood. With a grateful heart, he bowed to the monk, thanked him, and left the temple, ready to enjoy the journey ahead. Like, comment, and leave. A sweet comment.